Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make a server in Minecraft Bedrock. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the easiest method, okay, by far. So just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and type down aternos.org, okay, /servers. And then once you're in here, go ahead and click on Create. Now go ahead and select Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So click on Create. Wait for it to load. Now it says here your server is ready. Just click on Skip. If you want to back it up, well, click on Google Drive. Now, once you're in here, before we do anything else from the server section, just go ahead over to Options and manage the server properties right here, such as the slots, difficulty, the game mode, should it be cracked, okay? Allow list right here if you want to. And then once that's done, just go back to server. Go ahead and select the Minecraft Bedrock Edition and then hit on Start right here. Yes, I accept. And then what you're going to do next is just go ahead and wait for a big green button right here to pop up. Okay. Just keep your web browser opened and it will just send you a notification sound, right? You'll be able to hear it. So just wait for it. Now, as you can see here, we now got this confirm now button. Well, you just go ahead and click on confirm now. And while it's preparing our server, well, go ahead and open up Minecraft Launcher. Now open up Bedrock Edition, click on play, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, just go ahead over to play, then servers, add a server, give it a name. Now server address right here, here we have the address, copy it, paste that in here, and the port, okay? You'll have to type down the port, 26729. And then once that's done, don't click on add and play. Just go ahead and click on add server. Now go ahead and scroll down right here and you'll be able to see it. Okay. Review 26927. Now just wait for it right here. Okay. Wait for an online status. And once it's online, you can now go ahead and hit on play. There you go. It is now online. And here we have our window to join. So just click on play, wait for it, and once done, you're good to go. Here you have your Minecraft Bedrock server. That's basically it. Just wait for the world to fully load, and once that's done, you're good to go. And that is how you make a server in Minecraft Bedrock. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.